Pharmacy technician accused of collecting over $270,000 in job scam. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 29-year-old pharmacy technician has been accused of tricking a woman into paying her more than $270,000 to help her secure a job in the Cayman Islands, which did not materialize. Kadeen Swaby of Mountain View, Westgate, St. James is charged with larceny by trick in relation to an employment scam perpetrated between April 2023 and September 2024. The Montego Bay police said that in 2023, Swaby persuaded the woman that her uncle could guarantee her an employment opportunity for work in the Cayman Islands. The woman reportedly gave Swaby her passport and $18,000 cash to initiate the hiring process and then paid her $255,000 to secure the position. The woman inquired about the job after some time passed and she was given numerous excuses. The woman then contacted Swaby's uncle via social media network and was told that he was unaware of the arrangement and that he does not provide job employment. After realizing that she had been conned, the woman confronted Swaby, who pledged to repay her by September 21, 2024. When a refund was not received, a police report was filed by the woman. The accused was detained on March 31 after the complainant pointed her out to the police. She was subsequently charged on Thursday of this week. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.